Hello friends, today we are making dough for simple roti. So let's start. We need 1 pound whole wheat flour and approximately half liter water. Now we can start it. We pour water in dough, half of water, and mix it. We don't need to pour water all together, we need little by little. Now we need to knead this flour. This dough we can use it for roti, chapatti. We call it roti, some people call it chapatti, and we can use this dough for paratha. We can make different kinds of paratha with it. So let's see what we can make today. Approximately we need this dough at least 5 minutes. You can see I did not put any oil or anything, just I am using water in it, that's all. And all my pan is clean. After kneading 5 minutes, we can cover it and put in the fridge. And after 30 minutes, we will start making our roti or paratha. We put some little bit water on the top and cover it and put in the fridge. Now our dough is almost rested in refrigerator half hour, and now we are ready to make roti. We can make small ball, and now we are ready to make our roti. We can take small bit of flour dusted, and now you can, now our roti is ready. Now we can put on hot skillet. Now we can cook it for, when it done we can move it to other side. We will cook approximately 35-40 seconds each side, and now we can turn it. We will keep moving it, otherwise it can burn. Now it's almost done. We can toast little bit on fire and it can puff up. Now our roti is done. You can see, now we can flip it and put in a plate. Now our roti is ready.